I've helped quite a number of people now who've had inflammation in their eyes reverse it using hypernutrition. Awesome. Well, it's great to meet you. I just met with a client who has had inflammation in her eyes since she was 5 years old. And she's now at the point where she doesn't have vision in one eye, and the other eye, it's almost gone. And she has gone to the best doctors all over the world, high, prestigious places, and they've told her chemotherapy, immunosuppression, that's all you have or you're going to lose your vision. And specifically, even a Harvard doctor told her nutrition won't have any impact in the inflammation in your eye. That is simply not true. I have helped quite a number of people now who've had inflammation in their eyes reverse it using hypernutrition, using my plant-based nutrition protocol. They've been able to reverse it completely. So for example, I've had multiple people who have Sjogren's disease where they have inflammation in their eyes and dryness. They've used my nutrition plan in my rapid recovery group, and dryness went away. Eye exam is normal. There's 2 people right now in my current 6-week rapid recovery group who came to me because of eye inflammation. One of them has uveitis, who has had inflammation in her eyes that her doctor can look through the scope and can see something we call cotton wool spots that show inflammation, and of course her ophthalmologist can see it as well. Well, my group's only in week 3. She has gone back to her doctor and he can't see the cotton wool spots anymore. He can't see the inflammation at all. She's about to follow up with her ophthalmologist to look closer. The other person has glaucoma. She already has no vision in one eye. She's had the surgery, it didn't work, and so she's blind in one eye. And the other eye, she is now told that she's about to lose vision in the other eye and her only choice is surgery, which she's kind of worried about because it didn't work for the other eye. Well, again, 3rd week in the rapid recovery group, not only is her vision improving in her good eye, she's starting to see light and shapes in the eye that was completely blind before. This is only week 3. So, if you're wondering whether or not nutrition affects inflammation in your eye, yes. Listen, inflammation can happen anywhere in your body. It can happen in your eyes, in your fingers, in your other organs like your liver or your heart or your kidneys. It can happen in your joints. And the path to reversing that inflammation, the path to that comes through what you feed yourself. So you want to eliminate inflammatory foods like meat, dairy, processed foods, and you want to start nourishing yourself as much as possible using fresh raw vegetables, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, omega-3s like flax and chia. Hydrate yourself with water, get that inflammation down. And if you're on the brink of losing your vision, I strongly recommend you do rapid recovery with me. Anytime somebody has an organ that is failing and we don't have much time, I get nervous when they decide they're going to experiment on their own. Let me try to do the diet on my own and see if I can get it right. For folks who are about to lose their vision, I strongly recommend they do rapid recovery. And just like the 2 people who are doing it with me now, when I can help you every single day, we can make sure everything you're doing is right, and the results are extraordinary. So if you know anybody that's got uveitis or other inflammatory eye conditions, let them know that they can help themselves, not just through medications and surgery, but literally they can help themselves by what's on the end of their fork or on the other side of their straw. I hope that helps.